Gillespie, Wellsworth, Maron, Trunk, a lake. Oh!
No, Your Majesty.
Percy tried not to listen, but he couldn't help himself.
I must be on time. I must be brave. They must be everywhere.
This Mayor Elsa yoghurt med papsmag, Doctor.
I can't see any.
Closer to me. But Percy was too upset to concentrate and pushed the freight cars too far. Poor I am. He collected metal from the foundry, coal from the yards, flour from the mills, rock from the quarries, and fuel from the depot. Then he delivered it all to the docks. Next, he collected some empty freight cars. "Who's this dirty little engine?" cried the freight cars. "We want Thomas or Duck." Percy had been working at the docks all day and was tired of the smell of fish. "Phew. Come on, Percy," said his driver. "Time to go home." "Please, sir, can I have a wash down first?" "Sorry, Percy, there isn't time. Sir Topham Hatt is waiting for us at the sheds."
Many have tried.
This hill isn't too steep for me. I shall steam over it. I am special. I am the best. That was easy.
Meanwhile, poor nervous Percy had gone to Brendam Docks to collect some trucks. Percy was very sleepy after staying awake all night, keeping a lookout for monsters.
Oh no!
Percy!
Help!
Percy, stop! You've left your trucks behind.
What? Silly Percy!
Percy quickly set off to the rescue. Percy shunted back to where a large canvas barrier was used to protect his line from loose rocks.
Det smager altså af yoghurt med papsmag, Doctor. You have to go forward. Landslide! The king is in trouble. I must...
Get out of here fast! The mine's collapsing! "We'll just have to make a run for it, Percy," called his driver. "There's going to be an avalanche," wailed Percy. He was right. Worse still, the tracking car began to crumble. "Oh, help!" wailed Percy. Then he remembered something he had seen earlier. "There's a canvas barrier by the track. That might save us."
Guess who?